Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to ride a choo-choo train. Choo-choos, or trains as they're sometimes called, are big old beefy boys made out of metal and wood and wheels and air. They carry important valuables and trash from sea to shining sea. Riding a choo-choo train can be fun and rewarding, but you must be careful because these beef rollers move fast and they have sharp and heavy points. They could crush a man if they so please, and they wouldn't get in no trouble for it because there is not yet a law on the books that prohibits trains from killing men. In fact, inanimate objects are never punished no matter what horrible atrocities they commit. If you ask me, they should be held responsible. If a choo-choo train squishes me to death, I'd like my next of kin to be able to draw up charges against the train and see it sentenced to 50 years of hard labor. It's only fair. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Punish choo-choo trains for the lives they take. Put them in jail and make them eat bugs.